is a huge day for a few reasons. One, I get to have a birthday party. And two, we got a new camera! Woo! And it is, I think, 12 times better than the one that is currently being filmed on, but I wanted to open it up and show you because we're moving up in this world. Alright, so this camera is the Sony ZV-1. I gotta update my little thing on YouTube, by the way, because it won't say that. But this is the Sony ZV-1. I gotta remember that. Sony ZV-1. And I'm gonna open it up for you guys. It's so big. It's like a brick. Oh, you guys, so this is the camera. The best part about it is that the camera that is filming this right now never had the flip out screen. It goes to the side, but also, how do you do it? Are you sure it goes up? Okay, I clearly have a learning curve to do, and I'll show you as soon as I learn it. But this is the camera. This is the back of it right here. It does have a really good f-stop, and I don't know if you know what that means. We're photographers. If you watch our vlogs, you know what that is. But it's supposed to have a good depth of field, so you're going to see a difference as far as quality goes. And I'm just really excited about it. So we are going to switch over to that camera right now. What do you think of the new camera, you guys? I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I know I already can tell the difference. Right, Sarah? Oh, it's like super wide. It's clear. There's image stabilization in it. There's a whole bunch of different things that makes this thing amazing, and I'm super excited for it. But today is my birthday party, and Nick bought me a present, and he said I could open it before we go to Disney in a few days. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna hold it. You're gonna help me open the present? So by the way, my present is wrapped in my favorite Christmas wrapping paper, which I love. You did a really good job. Alright, can I open it now? Oh.
What is it?
It's my Lego castle. Oh my goodness. We're gonna finish that puzzle and then tack this maybe. Guys, look! Oh my god. Thanks, babe. I'm so excited. We were talking about how we wanted to do more Lego stuff, and this thing's unreal. Okay, so we have like an hour, a little bit over an hour before everyone gets here for my party. It's just my family and Nick's family. But I am gonna go ahead and decorate for the fall because it is fall and I'm super excited. It's one of my favorite seasons ever. I'm still getting used to the quality of this camera. Like, look at this.
It looks pretty good. On this screen, at least.
So
Let's see when we're editing.
I know. I'm so excited to see this. This is crazy. I know. So we're going to probably geek out over this new camera for a while. I'm so excited to take it to Disney and vlog. I think this is going to be like quality level. It's going to get a lot better. Although we do vlog on our DSLR sometimes, but we're going to try not to for this one and use this camera. See how it goes because it's a lot smaller.
Hey, let me change it over to the stabilization thing.
Okay.
See how different it looks.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Go. Okay, so we have it on image stabilization now. So it's a lot closer to our faces, if you can tell, but it's supposed to be a lot smoother. So I'm clearly just like walking like I normally do. Well, hopefully this has some sort of difference on it. I'm excited to see it. So now that we're decorated, we are gonna move we have like a small outdoor fire pit. We're gonna move that out to the backyard. And then we're gonna take some of our chairs from our deck, bring them outside. And then my mom has the tables and the rest of the chairs. So when she gets here, we're gonna put the food out and stuff and lay it out. So yeah, I guess it's time to set up for the party. I'm sorry if I'm really awkward. I feel like I haven't vlogged with the camera properly in a really long time, and I don't know why. It just feels a little weird right now. Nick says I look like Spinelli when I wear this hat. What do you guys think? Am I Spinelli? I really do like my outfit though. Simple, yet functional. Also, don't mind me. Literally have no idea what I'm talking about at this point.
Try it again. Ow!
I'm gonna go on the other side of you to kick. Or you're gonna stand on the other side, yeah.
Here.
Laces face the other way.
There you go. Good job.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the birthday setup. We got a little seating area around a full fire pit and a table for the food. So pizza is on its way. We got it from Brothers Pizza, and it's gonna be delivered this time instead of picking it up because just can't be bothered. We're just gonna hang out for the night. Are you stick hunting?
I have wood.
My dad is out there too, right there, and Riley.
Break it over his knee. If you do it over the sad face.
Why are you doing that?
Birthday,
Show them you.
Happy birthday to you.
Don't blow. COVID.
No, just blow on it.
Okay, ready?
I think it is.